kids, last year at Vedantu we saw a dream of getting 1000 plus selections in the prestigious exams like IIT and NEET. We sat together as a team and then we decided what are the key factors which will get us to 1000 plus mark. And the key factors were three. The hard work by teachers. Can they actually double the hard work as you will do? They said yes. Can we have the best content in the country? They said we already have. And can students work hard? So we wanted the most serious students to come and walk the journey. And together we walked the journey and the results were fantabulous.
When I joined Vedantu and Vikas Sondhi sir taught me chemistry. He took the chemistry level from this to this. Vikas sir always used to first take test before like from 9 to 12 and then we used to discuss the test from 12 to 4. Tests are a major part of one's preparation. For mains also, when I gave first time, I got 230 marks out of 300. But for this third attempt, I gave all the tests of Feb and March, which boosted my confidence level. This helped me great in achieving 295 marks.
We were able to get 1500 plus selections in IIT JEE Advanced exam and we were able to get 1000 plus selections in the NEET exam, which were fantabulous. The team said that if students will ask doubts at 10 o'clock, we'll be answering those doubts. In fact, students were asking doubt at 12 o'clock in the night, at 2 o'clock in the night, and our teachers were answering them. In fact, few sessions were happening at 2 or 3 in the morning, and that actually made all this possible, this fantabulous result.
इसने एकलव्य से आप लोगों को ज्वाइन किया था फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. डर था क्योंकि हमेशा इसके साथ कुछ हो जाता है तो अभी भी कुछ ना हो जाए, मे भी बीच में टर्न अप हो जाए या नहीं पड़े, पर जो पूरी इंटायर टीम का सपोर्ट मिला इवन दो लेट नाइट तक भी, और जेई तो हो गया था, सब कुछ हो गया था, बट कल रात को भी वो सर्स के साथ डिस्कस करके रात को 1 बजे लैब दिखा रहे थे. आई एम थिंकिंग वेरी ग्रेट एफर्ट्स बाय यू.
And this year, we want to take that dream further. We want to work harder. We want to make the content much better. We want to really want those students who actually can walk the path with us. And therefore, we are going to launch Eklavya on December 26th on all the channels. So stay tuned, bacho. We will be coming on all the channels and telling you more about the Eklavya program and the way you can be selected for this Eklavya program. So stay tuned, be confident, believe in yourself, and try to walk the path with us, and together let's fulfill your dream.